been one hell of a roller coaster this morning, up and down some of these hills. And it's hot, there's no breeze. Going down is amazing because you're like, oh, cooler. Going up is horrid. I had a couple of 100 litres of warm water left. I'm about 11-12 k's out of town, so it's not too bad, but it's a boiling hot day, and I decided not to take the dirt trail that I'd planned on because it was a longer route and I didn't have enough water, so I took the highway. And this guy, and he told me his name, I think he said it was Frank, legendary. He pulled over to see if I was okay when I was on the side of the road walking up the hill. I said, yeah, I'm fine, I'm just hot. And he said, oh, I'm sorry, I don't have any water for you. So he wished me well and off he went. Oh, it was probably about 15 minutes later he came back and gave me this lightly sparkling, freezing cold water. Oh, it's amazing. Thank you, Frank. He's legendary. That should get the last 12 k's in town.